Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. My name is David Gafford, and today I'm excited to share with you an interview that we did with Travis over at M Grills. Now, if you haven't heard of M Grills before, M Grills makes really high-end, multifunctional cookers and smokers. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about a couple of the grills that they have, one being their stainless steel offset grill and smoker, as well as their steak cooker made for the Steak Cook-Off Association. So I can't wait to share that with you. Thanks for tuning in. I want you to meet Travis now. All right, I'm here with Travis from M Grills. And Travis, you've got a great story about how you started this company. So tell some of our viewers what you're all about.
Yeah, well, Travis McGee, owner of M Grills. We're a small family-owned business, and we design and build our small batch, handcrafted barbecue grills and smokers.
So you've been doing this for what, 5-6 years?
Yeah.
So 5 or 6 years, and all of the things that we're looking at here, you created.
Absolutely.
And so you just take this idea, you go pen to paper, and then you turn it into a massive design.
Pen, paper, AutoCAD, out there in the shop, cutting, bending, and next thing you know, we're testing and making revisions, but it's pretty much that easy. Yeah, it's fun.
So when you say small batch, what does small batch mean in the barbecue world?
Small batch to us is we don't mass produce anything. So everything that we do is we take that attention to detail. It takes us longer to build our stuff because it's that attention to detail. Nothing's slapped together. We make, like when we do our M1s here, we might make just 10 at a time in batches. So it's not like something, we don't have a big assembly line, you know, a bunch of kind of cheap labor, nuts and bolts and putting stuff together. It's, you know, we got some very high-end, talented fabricators in our shop who are building our products.
So I know there's a couple products I want to feature here, but like I love the M1. Tell us more about the M1 grill, and like it's so versatile. Let people know kind of what they can do with this thing.
Yeah, the M1, this is pretty much our flagship grill. This is the cooker that put us on the map. It's been featured in Men's Journal and GQ, Food and Wine. But this is, in my opinion, I think it's the absolute best all-in-one cooker on the market. First of all, we start with the build quality of it. It's thick 10-gauge steel. The grates are solid 1/4-inch 304 stainless steel. You have a fully adjustable charcoal grate that you could raise and lower for your direct grilling. But a unique thing with this particular cooker is that it's also a stick burner. So you could go true wood burning smoker or smoking, and also charcoal smoking as like a charcoal oven, like a Kamado style cooker. So you have your firebox here. And then your whole firebox is also insulated, and it's like a miniature reverse airflow smoker. So stick burning, piece of cake. It does everything. It replaces that offset smoker on the patio. It replaces a charcoal grill. It's one cooker. It's built like a tank. It's very heavy. It weighs about 400 pounds. Everything that's not painted on this grill is stainless. And then we offer this in 10-gauge 304 stainless as well.
And so one of the things that I know that I love is I look at the exhaust, I look at the smokestack here, and we've got it at grate level. And so talk to me about, like, as you work through this idea of the reverse flow, how are you maximizing the smoke time on the meat?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're going to do a natural lump charcoal in this basket, you're going to get anywhere from about 6 to 8 hours on one load. If you're going to do stick burning on here, you're pretty much at about, you know, one stick of wood about every hour. So 45 minutes to an hour, which is pretty much a standard when it comes to, you know, stick burning. Charcoal grate, I'm sorry, not charcoal grate. The stack here is actually placed about right at food level. So as your heat travels through, comes back out, rolls back over your food, and then back out there. So on this particular grill, you're pretty much, your hot zones are about from right there where your opening is in the baffle and there, but from left to right to about 2 inches, you're just dead even. So we also have, because the firebox and the grilling grate are completely separate, that you can actually use this bottom rack to put food on as well. So you can have 3 levels with the top shelf extension accessory for smoking on this cooker. So you could put a full packer brisket down on the bottom. You could put 2 on top of here, and with the top shelf, you could actually put 4 briskets, no problem.
And for those who aren't looking for a 400-pound grill, they're looking for something a little smaller. You've also got the C4, right?
Yes.
So take us on a little tour of the C4.
Yeah, this is the other extreme of the spectrum of our products. You know, the C4 portable grill is a all stainless steel, awesome little cooker. It's small, portable, it's great for camping, hunting, tailgating. We even have the grill grates available for them. But you have 1/4-inch thick 304 stainless steel grates, and it's very simple. All you have, there's no drawers or anything. Your charcoal just goes in there. If you put about a half a chimney of lit charcoal, you get anywhere from, or you could get about 600 degrees on your grill grates, no problem. So that also makes this an awesome steak cooker for the Steak Cook-Off Association. But stainless steel hinge, it's modeled after an ammo box. This is our new revision of it, but it's just simple.
So I'm sure that there's some people who are watching this video who want to learn more about M Grills. Where can they find out more about you and your company?
Yeah, we're based out of Dallas, Texas, and you can visit our website at mgrills.com. 972-285-2554 is our phone number, so definitely check us out.
All right, hey, if you want to learn more about M Grills and Travis, give him a shout. I know he'll be happy to talk to you. Hey, and before you go, if you're on Instagram, I want you to follow us on Instagram. We're constantly putting out new sales that we know about in the barbecue world, as well as showing you behind the scenes of what's going on here at the Barbecue Lab. And I gotta say, we have some really cool stuff coming up. We're getting ready to unveil our brand new outdoor kitchen in this outdoor space. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I don't want you to miss out, so go ahead and find us on Instagram, as well as subscribe to the channel here on YouTube. As soon as we have new videos, you'll be notified if you hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait for you to see what we have coming up, because we have some great things coming here at the Barbecue Lab. Now, the Hearth Patio and Barbecue Association get-together is happening here in June this year. More interviews just like this we've got coming your way. Can't wait for you to see them. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. Once again, I'm David from the Barbecue Lab. I want to say thanks for joining us, and I can't wait to see you next time.